I've just made an incredibly delicious high protein vegan split pea stew. I've also put some roast squash in there. It's incredibly easy to make. It's a wonderful way to use split peas. And I want to show you how easy that is to make. But before I do, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this a thumbs up, that helps me loads. And let me know how you get on in the comments below. All right, let's go see how ridiculously easy it is to make this split pea stew. So either get one really large red onion, or in my case, I've just got some small ones, and then just chop them up into slices. If you want to bring the flavour out of your onions, you're going to saute them in a pan for a few minutes first. And all that really means is getting a tiny dash of oil, any oil, and then just letting them saute. It just brings the flavour out a little bit. And I'm also going to put some potato in and a couple of sticks of celery. Just chop these up into tiny little pieces and I'm going to pop them in the pan. This has sauteed nicely for a few minutes. Pop in the celery and the potatoes. And then I'm going to put in 500 grams of yellow split peas. So if you can soak these overnight, that's going to help loads. If you forget to do that, that's all right. We're just going to cook it for a little bit longer. Add in your water and some passata, or just put a tin of tomatoes in there. Mix it in and then let it come to the boil. Lid on. And then once it's come to the boil, just turn it down and let it simmer. And while that is cooking, I've got some squash. I've scooped out the inner bits and I'm going to slice that up and I'm going to roast it in the oven. It'll probably only take about half an hour. I could put it straight in as it is, but roasting it deepens the flavour and it really brings out the natural sweetness of the squash. You can use any squash, any winter squash or butternut squash that you have. And as it's cooking, I want to put a heaped teaspoon of cumin seeds in there, a couple of teaspoons of sea salt and quarter teaspoon of black pepper. And once your squash is cooked, just scrape it away from the skin and pop it in a bowl. Then just mash it up roughly with a fork. And then near the end of the cooking period, you can tell when this is ready when these little babies are cooked. Just pop that in. This is absolutely delicious and tasty, yummy. I hope that you enjoy it. Let me know how you get on in the comments. Remember to give me a thumbs up and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye for now.